Everybody is looking for the next big thing, but have you met the original disruptor? The typewriter. Back in 1868, Christopher Latham Sholes crafted the first practical typewriter. Imagine a world where every letter was handwritten. The typewriter turned that world on its head. Why was it made, you ask? To make writing faster, neater and more efficient. It revolutionized offices and boosted literacy rates. Suddenly, anyone could be a writer. Fast forward to the 20th century, typewriters became sleeker, portable and even electric. By the 60s, they were the heartbeat of every newsroom and office. But wait, there's more. The humble typewriter paved the way for computers and word processors. It's the unsung hero in our tech evolution. So, the next time you tap away on your keyboard, give a nod to Sholes and his ingenious invention. The typewriter didn't just change the world, it typed it into a new era. Stay curious, history buffs.